Hi there, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie and today we are tackling Paige Evans embellishments. As I mentioned in last video, I've got a lot and I also have some that I've previously added to die cut sticker pages. Some of these are looking a little sparse. I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did with Maggie Holmes. I'm basically going to sort these by color unless there's something overtly thematic, like if I had anything that's more travel like, I will put in the travel section, but everything else will go in respective colors and then just in my regular everyday color binders. But I will still keep them as Paige Evans just because she has a very distinct style. Let me do a preliminary sort and I'll tell you what I'm going to do with what. So I have two 12 by 12 chipboard sheets from the same collection. It kind of has a travel bent, but really not a lot of it is travel related. So because I have two, I'm going to put one in everyday and one in travel. These are just going to go in my iris bins. I have two of these washi tape borders. I'm going to put this with my border section. I don't know what else to call it. It needs a little work, so we'll deal with that when we deal. We'll deal with this when we deal with that. I have a couple package of charms. Now I don't think these ones are sticker like the Maggie Holmes ones. If they are sticker ones, then I will add them to the binder, but my die cut sticker binder, but if they aren't, they're just going to go in my charm collection. And I have some word puffy stickers, regular puffy stickers, some odds and ends. All of these are going to go in my die cut sticker binder. I have a bunch of foam and puffies and regular stickers, and normally I would say I would keep these on the 12 by 12 sheets, but I'm going to put these all in binders. If I have any duplicates, I might put those in the everyday box, if that makes sense. And this one here, this was from, oh, what was the name of the collection? It kind of has a fall feel to it, or a home feel. So I might actually stick this in the home section. But everything else, I think I'm just going to pop in my die cut sticker binder. So this is a duplicate. So I might stick one in, actually I'll probably stick one in, one in travel. Yeah. Okay, anyways, you get the idea. I'm rambling. And then I've got all the ephemera pieces. Those are pretty obvious what I'm going to do with those. And I have wood veneer. Now, I might just put some tack it glue behind these and stick these in the binder as well, because I have already started putting some wood veneer in here. So all of these are wood veneer. I did put ATG on the back of these, but I think maybe the tack it glue would work a little bit better. And what I'm referring to is Eileen's tack it over and over. I just put a few dots on the back, let it dry, and then add it to my binder. So what else do I got? Oh, and I got a couple alphas. These are just going to go in my alpha collection. I think that's it. Flat stickers. Again, these kind of have a fall theme feel to them, so I might just stick these in the seasonal. I don't know. We'll see where everything ends up at the end here. So stay tuned. That was a very big job, but I think I got it done, and this is my Paige Evans. Most of my Paige Evans stuff. I might have a few things floating around here and there, but this is the majority of what I showed you earlier, if not all of it. So I did decide to keep Bungalow Lane together, and so I did add those two page protectors. This is going to go in my autumn or fall section. You'll notice that I took the pages from the little sticker book and I just applied them directly in here. I didn't bother to take them off. Usually sticker book stickers are a little bit on the thin side, and I haven't had as good success getting them to pull off of the plastic page protector. So this works well. I still keep it on the backing. I can peel it off and good to go, and I still can see them. So that's those pages. So this is going to go in my autumn die cut sticker binder. And then the rest of these are just colored. There were a few odds and ends that were white, black, gray, brown, and some metallics. I did not have enough to warrant doing a separate page for them, so I just intermixed them directly into that book already, so you won't see those here. But basically, you know, I've got my pink section. Sometimes it looks a little purple, sometimes it looks a little pink. I just made a decision, you guys. I also struggled with reds. I have this, where does coral fit? Is coral red? Is coral orange? Depends on the type of coral. So these I know for sure are red. And then these, I don't know if they're a coral color. And I think I'm going to end up putting them in with the orange section, just because I had already started a page before I started noticing this coral color come through, and I had intermixed it. So this is just going to all go in orange, and then I can add in other collections in the front, or of course, you know, other stuff that comes into my stash. So we're going to go with the orange coral together. And then we've got yellow, we've got green, turquoise, teal, aqua, all of those colors I just kind of grouped together. And then we move into the blues. And if I've got a multicolor piece, I just pick something, you know, whatever jumps out at me. More blues, and then the purples. And that is it. I also intermix everything. So I've got chipboard stickers, flat stickers, puffy stickers. What else? I've put even some of these epoxy shapes. Basically, I don't care. I treat them all roughly the same. I can easily tell if they have dimension or don't dimension. So when I'm looking for something, I can take that into consideration. And I just do it to keep my life simple. So that is Paige Evans Embellishments. And I am so glad to have this sorted out. And I think we're going to leave off here today. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed and are inspired. And until next time, happy organizing.